Have you ever wondered about the benefits of growing your own herbal remedies? Well, it's not just about the money you'll save. It's also about the therapeutic process of tending to your plants and the peace of mind that comes from knowing exactly what's in your remedies. Growing your own herbs puts you in control of your health and wellness. You decide what goes into the soil, into the plants, and ultimately, into your body. Growing your own herbal remedies can be a rewarding and practical endeavor. Growing your own herbal remedies can be simpler than you might think. Let's break it down step by step. Start with the selection of your herbs. Chamomile, lavender, and peppermint are great choices, each with their own unique health benefits. Now consider the ideal growing conditions for each herb. Chamomile enjoys full sun and well-drained soil, while lavender thrives in hot, sunny spots with good air circulation. Peppermint, on the other hand, loves a bit of shade and damp soil. Next, we move on to planting. You can start your herbs from seeds, cuttings, or buy young plants from a nursery. Carefully place them in your chosen spot, keeping in mind their preferred conditions. Once they're established, care mainly involves regular watering and occasional pruning. Harvesting should be done when the plants are in full bloom, usually midsummer. Storage requires drying the herbs in a cool, dark place. With a little patience and care, you can have a homegrown pharmacy in your backyard. Now that you've grown your own herbs, it's time to put them to good use. Chamomile soothes nerves, lavender aids relaxation, and peppermint enhances digestion. Simply steep these herbs in hot water for a potent, healthful brew. Harness the power of nature with your own homegrown herbal remedies. Growing your own herbal remedies is a journey worth taking. Imagine the satisfaction of nurturing your own wellness garden. So why wait? Start your green thumb adventure today. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and guides. Your journey to wellness starts here.